Financial institutions have always invested a lot in technology. But when it came to physical security, they usually went for analog CCTV. As clients moved to a digital mindset, most banks kept their security departments apart from the digital revolution. That is, until something happened. Clearly, more and more devices are being connected to the network. They now contribute to the overall experience at branch offices, from ATMs with discrete cameras to new technologies like people counting, queue management, and facial recognition of VIP customers. Each bank, of course, has its own pace. For this bank in Brazil, 2010 was the year when video surveillance stopped being something apart from the network. It became the first bank in the country with IP video surveillance in all its branches. This involved no less than 1,153 cameras. Image quality improved considerably. Over a period of 5 years, they also saw a substantial drop in maintenance costs.
Em 2010, ao analisarmos o projeto analógico e IP, chegamos à conclusão que os valores eram muito próximos. A tecnologia IP mostrou ser muito mais viável ao banco.
5 years later, they decided to update the system. Image quality was further improved. The first access cameras were repositioned to cover less critical areas. Right at the entrance, branches have cameras that are resistant to acts of vandalism. In fact, even when a gang at one location used explosives to break in, the cameras saw and recorded everything.
As imagens do nosso sistema de monitoramento têm sido fundamentais para identificarmos o comportamento desses meliantes e, inclusive, identificamos fraudes dos cartões dos nossos clientes e nossas máquinas de autoatendimento.
As novas câmeras têm a tecnologia Zipstream. Essa tecnologia reduz os requisitos de banda e de storage. Nessa segunda fase, adotamos o modelo panorâmico. Esse novo modelo nos permitiu substituir 2 ou 3 câmeras dependendo do layout da agência. E com um menor número de câmeras, ainda ampliamos o nosso campo de visão. Além disso, a adoção da tecnologia IP reduziu a taxa de indisponibilidade das câmeras, reduziu também a necessidade de gravação e ampliou a eficiência do trabalho da equipe.
To increase the level of security, Banco de Brasilia adopted a new protocol to open the branches early in the morning. First, they use a proximity card to identify themselves, followed by a double validation through biometric authentication. At the control room, operators visually verify if the situation is normal and remotely open the branch with a single click. And they keep using IP technology for innovative ideas. At this flagship branch, Banco de Brasilia is using IP audio to alert clients that they are about to close in 10 minutes. 5 minutes later, another automatic message is heard. But if the front door closes with someone still in, operators observe the scene from the control room and use their IP phones to talk directly to the clients and assist them remotely. The idea is to expand this initiative throughout all branches. Yes, managing these devices looks like a challenge, but Banco de Brasilia uses software from Axis to perform device installation, upgrades, maintenance, as well as hardening tasks on hundreds of cameras and audio devices automatically. This saves them hundreds of hours of manual work and helps them to reduce threats related to cybercrimes. As more banks around the world combine security and IT, they see themselves ready for whatever the future holds.